This is Louisa. Unfortunately, she had a fall last week. She hates that she had to miss her grandson's birthday party. Research shows that many patients like Louisa are discharged from inpatient facilities when they are independent with certain tasks, but are actually functioning below levels that ensure their safety in the community. This puts them at risk for further loss of function, rehospitalizations, and decreased participation in the things that matter to them. To provide the best care, to generate the best outcomes, and to save the healthcare system time and money, rehabilitation for older adults needs to focus on efficiently maximizing physical function. Louisa's therapist is focused on improving function through strength training. She has been trained in high-intensity rehabilitation by the Restore team in generous partnership with the Veterans Administration. She reads Louisa's chart and screens her for safe participation. She asks about her goals and takes vitals as the session begins.
What's this for?
That's a weight vest. We'll use it to challenge your system enough to increase your muscle strength during activities we work on in therapy. These strength gains then translate into better function at home. Plus, we're getting you stronger, faster.
The therapist carefully assesses Louisa's performance as she begins each exercise. She makes sure that, no matter the activity, Louisa demonstrates signs of appropriate exercise dose every time. She carefully documents the details of her prescription, so Louisa can continue to make progress in each session that follows.
Isn't this too much for me? I just had a fall.
I understand this feels challenging, but it's actually how we'll get you strong enough to prevent falls in the future. You may feel a little tired afterward, but I promise I'm monitoring you, and you're safe. I think you'll be pleased with how much you didn't realize you could do.
Patients participating in high-intensity rehabilitation demonstrated improvements in a range of key metrics. In skilled nursing, we saw a clinically meaningful improvement in gait speed, a 3.5-day reduction in length of stay, and an average cost savings of over $1,500 per patient. In home health, we saw similar improvements in gait speed and a 6-fold reduction in rehospitalizations. These outcomes were all achieved without any decrease in therapist productivity. After participating in high-intensity therapy, Louisa has regained the strength and confidence to perform her daily tasks at home and to spend time with the people who really matter.
Be a part of providing the best possible care and generating the best possible outcomes for older adults with training in high-intensity rehabilitation from the Restore team in generous partnership with the Veterans Administration.